Hey guys, if you are seeing this channel first, you should subscribe and support us. If you like the video, you can like, or if you don't like, you can dislike. No props. So all of you are fine. Stay home, stay safe. So this is a Lexus video that I have told I will put in this way next time. I have modified that WPLC 24 as custom. If you want this off-roading or custom modification video, I will put. You can comment in the comment box, or you can send direct message to me in the Instagram. My Instagram ID is LASLSABAN or Crazy Adventurer CRAZYADVNTURER. So its body comes from a Texas TRX Force body. As is the crawler. The spring means if this vehicle are climbing or standing against a bridge, it will push up and this vehicle can go. This is the third view. That means here comes here. It can be opened or closed. Suppose it can lift up to 500 kg. This is the front view. It's the dashboard or the cover. It's a bonnet. It can be opened. It's the icon of the Lexus. It's here comes a rear image or rear mirror like this. He can see from here. It's also here is a mirror. Here also a mirror. You can see from the inside. Here comes mirror. It consists of a pipe rack body. The pipe rack, if it comes to a damage, its body will go, but the driver can be easily saved. And this tire is a punching tire. This comes the wheel alignment. This rod. This is the tire resting. Here comes the exhaust pipe or the Traxxas. Here is a bike for adventures. Here is the wheelbase. It can carry this bike. Here is a ladder, can be climbed up. Here is the stepping tire and a rope here. Here is the main LED light or the bulb. Here comes two lining of a off-road, or the light can be up to 20 meters. Here is the front engine. Here is the rear, and I have said this is the battery or the part of the engine that connects the battery. The rear motor is up to 550 mAh, and this front motor also 700. It can be opened. This is the third view. Here also a lamp. It is a rusting lamp. It can be up to 780 or something. Here is the glass view. Here is the opening. Door is up to here. It cannot be opened. This various time Bonneville 750. If you want this video, I will put. You can also comment in this comment box. It's up to something off-roading. You can also make this one. Its cost only something up to 5,000 or less than 2,000. If you want this making video, I will put. You can comment also.